welcome back to my channel. Today's video is our 2023 Christmas home tour and I'm so excited to be sharing it with y'all. We've worked so hard on our Christmas decor this year. We always love the rustic glam look, so we like wood elements and glam mixed in, but lots of red too, so super excited to share it. We've also done some home projects throughout the season, and so if you've missed some videos here and there's some new things, and then also I've tweaked lots of things off camera, so I can't wait to share with you the final product of our home for 2023. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you. And also, if you need the perfect gift for this season for your nieces, your mom, your sisters, or whoever, I've got the perfect gift for you. Little Words Project is giving y'all 15% off of their custom bracelets. You can get them to say positive words of affirmation, or you can get them custom like mine. I've got one that says Ollie's mom. I've got one that says boy mom, boy mama. I got one for my niece that says Chloe Bell. You can get them to say whatever you would like, and they're at such a great value. They're beautiful, they're well made, and you can't beat 15% off at Christmas time. Plus, you get free shipping if you spend over $75. So thank you so much, Little Words Project, for that great deal for our Christmas gift this year. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, but let's get right into it.
Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
So out in the front yard and on the front porch, I like to do a wreath on every window. These are pre-lit wreaths from Lowe's, and I love them. I think they're so cozy to come home to at night. I just popped a big red bow on all of them. And then around our front door, I did a pre-lit garland with lots of picks and Christmas ornaments and ribbons. I love this garland this year. And then for our front door wreath, I also did a light up wreath with a little simple red ribbon. And then at our front door, I don't have too much room, so I did two simple lanterns from At Home with some little glowy lights inside. And then, hello, let's come inside. But I also did some snowflakes in our little flower bed in the front yard. But now we are headed into the living room, and I am so excited to share this with you. We just did this gallery wall in our living room. If you missed that video, I will link it down below. We had so much fun with that. We did the little gallery lights. This is our little entryway. This will be changing very soon. We're going to do a big mirror here soon, but for now, we've still got our little bench and our cozy little wreath. And in the living room, we've got our garland on the TV stand. This year, I decided to do it draping off of our TV stand. Typically, I would just put it underneath our TV. And I love the look of this. I feel like we can enjoy it so much more because it's more visible. And it also doesn't get in the way of the remote, so that's a plus. And I actually just recently changed that garland from when we decorated it in the video. I made it a lot more simple, and I feel like our living room feels a lot more open and airy now. The other one kind of closed us in. Our Christmas tree this year has lots of reds and golds and silvers. I'm loving the look of the variety of ornaments this year, the textures, the sizes. Love our tree this year.
In a one-horse open sleigh, over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells.
We brought back our tufted ottoman, and I'm so excited. I love that little ottoman so much. We had to get rid of it for a little while Oliver was learning how to walk because he was climbing all over it and stuff, but we went ahead and reordered that from Bed Bath & Beyond. Love having that back. And then those little carolers are so cute. They're just from Hobby Lobby. I love having those sitting out. They feel so classic to me. And this is the overall living room. I actually took our candlesticks off of the TV stand. If you saw my decorating videos, I felt like it was a little bit cluttered. So we took those down and just left a simple tree and deer there. Love how cozy and warm our living room turned out this year.
The horse was lean and light, misfortune seemed a slide. We got into a drifted bag and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh,
headed into the kitchen now. We're starting out in the little breakfast nook. I just put a really large pot on our little round kitchen table with some stems coming out of it. Those are like little pine stems from Hobby Lobby. And then I actually had 2 wreaths on our hutch, and I felt like it was a little bit overkill, so I took those off and I just allowed the white snowflakes to make a statement. We have a little nativity on top of the hutch, and I like how simple that is over there. We're actually going to be getting a new table in next week's video, so come back and see what our new table looks like. But for now, that's what our little nook looks like. And now headed into the heart of the home, the actual kitchen where all of the cooking and baking and magic happens. I love decorating this area each year for Christmas, and I absolutely love this red plaid runner from Home Goods. So I'm just going to be sharing bits and pieces of our kitchen decor with you. Like I said in the beginning, we like to go with rustic glam, and I like lots of pops of red.
Don't cost a dime, waiting for Santa to come. He'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young. I hear sleigh bells in the snow, holding on to a bunch of reindeer.
I love that I can display Oliver's artwork now. I displayed his little painted Santa over here by my coffee station. And I always like to add the coordinating holiday K-cups for whatever season it is. And this year I decided to pick up the Green Mountain Holiday Blend. They are so delicious, and they make such a pretty statement over here by our Keurig. And then I also just added some Lindor chocolates. Those are really fun to pop in your coffee, make it taste like a mocha. And then over in the corner, Will and Oliver actually brought home some Christmas cookies, so I displayed those. And then we've just got This House Believes sign with a little reindeer, a lamp, and a candle. And I love to have that lamp on while I'm cooking in the kitchen. Up at the top, I always love to have a garland, but this year we went big. We added some really big bells over there in the corner and lots of ribbons strung through our garland. It is so cozy at night. I'm obsessed with that garland, and I just love how our kitchen turned out this year.
He'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year. When the Christmas spirit's all over town.
I popped some little bottle brush trees in our flour and sugar jars, and I think it's so cozy. I love having little twinkly lights and candles everywhere so that when I come in the kitchen and it's dark, I can still enjoy all of the decorations and just feel the happiness of the season. I also added some little Mrs. Meyer's peppermint soaps by the sink with a little Christmas tree. And I absolutely love walking in my kitchen now, especially at night, to just get a snack or just enjoy the decorations. It is absolutely so cozy this year.
Love don't cost a dime, waiting for Santa to come. He'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old.
Now headed into the guest bathroom. I always like to deck this bathroom out because this is the one everyone uses when they come over. And I absolutely love the shower curtain in here. It's got little snowmen and snow scenes and sleds. And it's so cute. I feel like I hit the jackpot with it. I just found it at Home Goods a few years back. And so I go with the snowman theme to match that. And I added a little snowman from the Target dollar spot over by the sink with a little red ribbon on our lamp. I added a tree above our toilet along with the extra toilet paper. And then a red towel by the tub. And I just love this bathroom.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe.
Now we're in the master bedroom. This is the last room that I wanted to share with y'all. We did the little garland above our headboard again, added in lots of red ribbon and silver ornaments, some white ornaments, and then I love adding a wreath on these windows. I think it's so fun. And we've got our red striped pillows. I actually had those on our couch in our decorating video, and I felt like they were better suited for the bed, so I moved them in here. I am obsessed with our sheets this year. They're red with little reindeers, and I just think they're so magical. I actually just picked them up off of Amazon, and I will try to link as much as I can down below just in case you're still Christmas shopping for your home, or you might want to snag some deals for next year's Christmas. But I love how cozy our room turned out this year. Lots of candles, lots of glowy lights. Our little fire, what do you call it? It's not really a fireplace, but it's like a faux fireplace over in the corner. Has a light up garland, and it's just so fun to come in here and watch Christmas movies at night. Oliver is in our room with us up until the end of the year because we're working on a little room makeover for him, but we had to fix up his bed too. We've got some little Santa Pottery Barn sheets, a little peppermint pillow, a Rudolph pillow, and a little pillow that I picked up from Ross that says North Pole. And I think his bed turned out so cute this year. But thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed our home tour this year. Don't forget to check out Little Words Project for your Christmas gifts, and I will see y'all soon. Bye!
Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep